Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. Firstly, access settings. Now click on the search bar, type in iOS Launcher and install this app from this developer. Now choose Open. And in order to use this app, click on while using the app, allow and allow again. Then swipe up and choose Home button. Now you need to choose iOS Launcher from here by clicking on it and select Always. Then tap on OK and got it. As you can see, after that, app layout was applied successfully on this INFINIX. If you wish to switch between your layouts though, you can always do that by accessing Settings, scrolling down and choosing App Management. Now click on Default Apps, choose Home app and tap on XOS Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!